AI real estate. How investors are using AI to get rich. What if I told you some real estate investors are finding deals, analyzing properties, negotiating, and even raising money without picking up the phone? They're not smarter. They're not richer. They're just using AI. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how investors are using AI right now to make more money in real estate. Faster, cheaper, and with way less stress. This isn't theory. These are real tools, real workflows, and real strategies you can actually use, even if you're starting with 0 properties. Section 1. Why AI is changing real estate forever. Talking points. Real estate has always been about finding deals, analyzing numbers, marketing negotiation time. AI doesn't replace investors. It replaces the boring, slow, expensive parts. Key idea. The investors winning right now aren't working harder. They're automating decision-making. Examples. AI scans thousands of listings in seconds. AI spots undervalued properties humans miss. AI writes offers, emails, ads, and follow-ups. AI predicts cash flow and rent growth. Section 2. AI for finding off-market deals. Problem. Most investors lose before they start because they're only looking on Zillow and Realtor. AI solution. AI scraping tools. Google Maps plus AI public data plus AI analysis. Explained simply. AI can scan entire cities for distressed properties, vacant homes, tax arrears, tired landlords, probate, foreclosures. Examples of tools. ChatGPT. Google Maps plus AI workflows. Scraping tools plus spreadsheets. County data plus AI summaries. Sample script line. Instead of spending 10 hours hunting deals, AI does it in 10 minutes. Section 3. AI for deal analysis. Most people don't fail in real estate because they can't find deals. They fail because they buy bad ones. AI use case. Cash flow analysis. Rent estimates. Repair cost estimates. ROI projections. Explain workflow. Plug property details into AI. AI estimates. Rent expenses repairs, cash flow, ROI, AI stress tests. The deal, power line. AI removes emotion from investing. Numbers don't lie. Section 4. AI for marketing and lead generation. What investors usually hate. Cold calling, writing ads, following up. AI replaces all of it. Examples. AI writes seller letters, SMS messages, emails. Facebook ads. AI personalizes messages at scale. Script line. One investor plus AI can now do the work of a 5-person acquisitions team. Key takeaway. AI doesn't just save time, it multiplies reach. Section 5. AI for negotiation and offers. This part hooks viewers hard. This is where things get scary, in a good way. How AI helps. Analyzes seller motivation, suggests offer price ranges, writes professional offers, crafts negotiation responses. Example line. AI doesn't get nervous making low offers, it just follows the math. Use case. Feeding seller messages into AI, getting recommended responses, maintaining professionalism. Section 6. AI for raising money and partners. Pain point. Most deals die because of money. AI solution. Investor pitch decks, pro forma summaries, email outreach to investors, follow-up automation script. AI doesn't just help you find deals, it helps you sell the deal. Important note, you still need to be honest and compliant, but AI handles the heavy lifting. Section 7. AI for property management. This is huge for passive income seekers. AI can screen tenants, write lease agreements, handle maintenance requests, auto-reply to tenants, predict maintenance issues, line to use. AI turns real estate from a second job into an actual investment. Section 8. How beginners can start using AI today. Simple 3-step roadmap. Step 1. Learn one AI tool deeply. Step 2. Use AI to analyze deals daily. Step 3. Automate one task at a time. You don't need to be technical. You just need to be consistent. Section 9. Reality check. Credibility builder. AI won't magically make you rich, but it will give you an unfair advantage if you actually use it. Truth bomb. The gap between investors using AI and those who aren't is getting wider every month. Real estate isn't changing. The tools are. And the people who adapt early always win. Like and subscribe for more tutorials.